Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to register for Deerfield Library programs online. First, the basics. Start at our website, deerfieldlibrary.org. Mouse over to the Programs tab and click on Event Calendar. Choose the month you're interested in. When you find the title of the program you want, click on it to get more information. Then click on View More at the bottom of the listing. Enter your information, name, phone number, and email address. Tell us the number of people attending with you, and select if you'd like an email reminder before the event. Click Submit, and now you are registered. You'll need to verify your email address if it's the first time you're using that email to register. Here's a few more quick tips and tricks for using our online calendar. Not all library programs require registration. Only programs with a person and plus sign logo, as on the right, need registration. The ones without, as on the left, do not. Additionally, outside groups that meet at the library are listed on our calendar. They are labeled in black. You'd have to contact the particular group for information about attending. You can narrow your results by selecting different categories on the top tabs, and then clicking Search. Or use the search feature. Thanks for watching. Check out some of our other informational videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.